Biconditional statements. Now, do you remember in the last video where we were talking about compound statements with conditions? In this video, we're going to be talking about biconditional statements. Okay. How does this work? Well, I'm going to read you this statement. I will buy milk if and only if I buy eggs. That means that the only time you're going to buy milk is if you buy eggs. Now, in the last video, you would have A and B, and the arrow would point to B, but not to A. In this video, it's going to point in both directions, because these are interdependent on each other. Now, let's take the first statement. You bought milk, you bought eggs, so when you said, I will buy milk if and only if I buy eggs, well, that statement's true. Now, let's say you go to the grocery store and you buy milk, but you don't buy eggs. You said that the only time you would buy milk is if you bought eggs. Well, you bought milk without buying eggs, so that statement's false. Now you're a liar. Now, let's say you went to the grocery store, you only bought eggs, but you didn't buy any milk. Well, you said that the only time you would buy eggs is if you bought milk. Well, you went out and bought eggs without milk, so that makes you, again, a liar. That statement's false. Now, let's say you don't bother to go to the grocery store at all. Well, that's okay, because you said that the only time you would buy eggs is if you bought milk. Well, you didn't go to the grocery store and buy either one, so that statement's still true. And that's how that works. All right. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.